Hey, what's up, guys? I'm gonna be doing a 1JZ swap on my 2001 Lexus IS300 over there. Currently, I kind of started the video late, but as you can see, I've taken up the turbo, the J-pipe, and all that stuff on that side, and that's mainly due to me having a broken mount. Today's Monday. I just picked up the motor on Friday, and so far I've had all that stuff painted. I also went ahead and did the valve cover in wrinkle black, but I still need to go over it again. As you can see, some parts are still shiny. That just means I need to put more coats of paint on there. I already got my Camry throttle cable here. I picked that up from the junkyard also on Friday. Pretty much got everything. And it's from a JZX 171, based off the part number on the ECU when I looked it up. Plus, you can see it doesn't have the immobilizer in there. What else do I have? Oh, I just got my resonator that I'm most likely gonna be using on this. I'm going full 3-inch exhaust with a straight pipe. It's the vibrant resonator. I don't know if they had my address in there. Okay, it's just Amazon. Looks good. But yeah, so far I've ordered all my maintenance parts: water pump, timing belt, cam seals, front crank, intercooler piping, all that stuff. So slowly but surely I'll get to the swap. But for right now, I'm just focused on trying to get a new motor mount in there, painting all the stuff, because I'm going to run the stock setup for a while until the stock turbo dies, and then eventually I'm gonna upgrade to a bigger single. I think that's mostly what I have for now. More videos to come once I get everything done or get more parts.